Hello, one and all. This is Dr. Abhijit Singh Jadeja. All learners, I welcome you all. And you know that when we completed picture box video in my channel, now it's a turn of timer tool. Timer tool is a very special tool as per auto execution. Due to that reason, this is a group box. In a group box, I mentioned picture box and timer example. And in my button also, I mentioned rotate image auto. So in previous picture box example, you know that one and you learn the code of I have to click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 time image, then the image is rotated. But now in this timer, how can we manage the auto screen share that can be rotated automatically by the speed of that one? We will learn in this timer. So all Windows control, you will not find able to control about this timer in this, because after T you can see that one text box, toolbox and three views are there, but no timer is there. So I am taking timer from all the control. Yes, this is a timer tool that you can see on my left side of the screen. When I try to drag and drop, this is not drag and drop in my original form. You can see that one. This timer is available at the bottom. This is called tray tool. Why it is called tray tool? Because this tool is not having existence in my original form or original GUI. Because whatever the tools we learn in VB.NET, text box, label, radio button, checkbox, drop down list box, combo box, list box, and everything, even group box, all is having existence in my form, but timer is always in the below of this thing. So this is called tray tool. Tray tool means it is drop at my tray at the bottom side of this form, as you can see that. In a property, I am going that enable equal to false, and interval is very important, 1000 millisecond. You can say at this bottom of this line, interval, the frequency of ellipse having event in the milliseconds. So as per knowledge, 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second. So I set it 1000, enable equal to false, and I change the property of start. I just reduce the size of it, Control C, Control V. And this is the another button I'm taking for the code property, and I need it stop. So it is fine. On buttons click event, I need to just make it timer on. Timer 1.enable equal to true means we activate the timer by enable equal to true. And again, I would like to repeat timer property enable, by default enable equal to false, but when I click on start, the timer enable true means it will start. And when I click on this, timer 1.enabled equal to false means timer enabled equal to false means timer auto rotation, that images will rotate in my picture box, it will stop. This is picture box 2, that you can see that one in my property window. My cursor is moving, just kindly concentrate, picture box 2. Now the last coding that we would like to perform in this, it is very important. We are learning new event of timer. When we double click on the timer, it will come as timer 1 underscore tick event. So I double click on timer, and as I just discussed, this is timer 1 underscore tick event. So many events we learn, but timer has a special event. This is called tick event. Tick is an event of just timer. We learn so many events like form load event, buttons click event, text box got focus event, text box lost focus event, text box key press event, combo box and list box select index change event. Then after we learn the radio button and checkbox, that is check change event. And this is the 8th event that I'm going to represent in front of you. This is timer tick event. Now on picture box example, whatever the things that I'm taking the same thing copy, because Control C, and input the timer tick event, I test it. Means after 1 second, this part execute. Then after another second, this part will execute. Then when third second, it will come with this 3 part, and as like that, this thing is work. Let me run and need to understand. Fine, the code is behind you. When I click start, it is started, but feature box 1 is there. So what should I change in my code? This is the small thing that I need to change, that is feature box 1 instead of that 2. Feature box 2 I want. Feature box 2 I want. Same feature box 2 I want. Feature box 2 I want. And again, I would like to run. And when I click on start, you can see that one after 1 second, the image rotated. Each second, my cursor is not doing anything, but this is a coding for timer. Timer's special event. Please remember this thing for examination and all. Timer tick event. When I make stop, whatever images is loaded, look, this is an image where lion is sitting. Now I start. Stop. This is fifth image. I can stop it. Why? Because whenever I want to stop it, stop. This is third image. So if I want to increase the speed of it, how can I? So for that, timer, property, interval, I reduce 500, means each after half second, it will execute. That code, you know very well, it was the same code on buttons click event where I image the rotate. Look, now the speed is increased. You can clearly justify that one. Speed is increased because we reduce from 1 second to half second. So interval is a very important property to make increase the speed of timer and decrease the speed of timer. Suppose I would like to take as 100. Oh, then it will execute so fast. Let me run once again, and we need to just set the speed of it. It increase the speed. I reduce the time interval. Previously it was 1 second. Then I create half second, and it is now 100 millisecond, means it rotates so fast. Now it is difficult to stop me that lion that is roaring image, that is very difficult. I would like to stop on fifth one, but it is first. So it is interval. Again, the last time execution that we are using it, I'm making this 2000 millisecond. Code is as it is, you know that one. Now every 2 second image will take one. After 2 second, second image, third, fourth image, fifth image. And timer 1 dot enable equal to false means image rotation will stop. Look, it is stopped. On buttons click event, I put timer 1 dot enable equal to true, means enable true means timer millisecond will start. Look, it is started. And stop. This is stop. So let me take a revise of this timer tool, that is very important. First, timer is a tray tool. It is not a part of your form. It is always get the bottom of it. So it is a timer tool. Timer is an auto execute tool. Timer is depend on the milliseconds. Timer's fourth thing is very important, that is interval. Interval is a property where you can set the speed of it. You can see that one. This is 2000 milliseconds. So it takes very slow every 2 seconds, because it is mentioned at the bottom. You can read the frequency of elapsed the event in a millisecond. So it is a millisecond. And by this buttons click event, I mentioned timer 1 dot enable true means timer 1 activate. Timer 1 dot enable false means timer deactivate, timer stop. So, and double click on the timer, you will get a new event that is called timers special event. It is called tick event. So we learn the auto execution tool that is called timer. We rotate 5 images using timer, and we show that one how to increase the speed of the image rotation and how to decrease the speed of image rotation by interval property of a timer. Thank you so much. To learn with Dr. Abhijit Singh Jadeja.